Welcome everyone to 2019. We got the government shutdown, we got the border wall, we got the trade war with China, the Fed is raising rates, the stock market dropped 650 points, but then it went up 700 points, and oh yeah, the oil market is falling. How will this all affect us for real estate in 2019? Find out on this real estate market update for January 2019. Hey everyone, I'm John Long with Ardent Real Estate Group, and welcome to our Brea real estate market update for January 2019. So right away, I want to go into the leading indicators, just like we always do, which is the number of homes coming on the market versus the number of homes going off the market. So earlier in December, we did our market update, and we said that 83 homes were on the Brea real estate market in early December. Well, as we got closer to the holidays, we dropped down to 59 homes on the market. So what happened there? So there was actually about 20 roughly homes that were still technically on the market under contract to be sold, but they put them on what they call a hold status, and it takes them off of Zillow, takes them off of Trulia, Redfin, you name it. So the public won't see those anymore. And the reason why they do that is to kill all the traffic so the homeowners can enjoy the holidays and kind of put their sale on hold. So we dropped down to 59 homes. You know, a couple homes also did sell to add to that as well. But now here we are early January, and we're back up to 64 homes on the market. So some of those homes that were on hold now went back to an active status. So you'll start seeing those again. So we pop up real quick to a little bit higher inventory. And so you're going to start seeing more homes come to the market. So how many homes sold in December? So 22 homes actually closed and sold in December 2018. Last year in 2017, we had 32 homes sell. Where is inventory heading for real estate in 2019? Well, before the holiday season, earlier in November, we were bouncing around 90 to 100 and some odd homes on the market. So, and as we got closer to the holiday season, we saw that number come down to 58, 59 homes on the market, and now we're back at 64. I see that inventory continuing to rise for 2019. There are expected to be more homes available on the market. Our short supply of inventory is starting to change. The number of homes going to be on the market versus the number of days sitting on the market will also increase. So expect in 2019 more homes to be on the market than there was in 2018. For those of you who pay attention to interest rates, you probably have noticed as far as a mortgage goes, interest rates have actually dropped over the last 30 days. Part of that is due to the stock market. Anytime the stock market falls, people usually take their money from the stock market and put them into bonds. And as they purchase more bonds, the interest rates go down. So that's a good thing for home buyers and people looking to buy a home, but not so good for the stock market. But expect the interest rates for 2019 to increase. The gurus are expecting interest rates to get anywhere between 5.5% to 5.8% sometime in 2019. With all that said, home values are still expected to rise in 2019. But does that make 2019 a good time to sell? Yeah, home values are high, but what if you need to purchase another home? Well, everything is relevant. If you're going to wait until that other property drops in value, you're also going to let your home drop in value. So the difference you have to weigh is, one, if you buy now, you're going to have a little bit lower interest rate than you will if you wait for the future. But your property taxes are going to be a little high. But if you want to wait a little bit, your property tax will be lower, but your interest rate will be a little higher. As a homeowner, you want honest advice. You're probably considering thinking about moving because there's a life-changing circumstance that has caused you to consider it. So I've recently had a client of mine who I sold a home to early in 2018, hasn't even lived in their home for a year, recently called me to say, hey, you know, I just recently got an X amount of money, you know, I'm trying to think of what to do with it. Should I sell my home and go buy something else? And I had an honest conversation with them and said, hey, look, you know, based on where the market's at, you just bought that home, you haven't even owned it for 2 years yet. It'd be best if you probably take that money, maybe spend it on your kitchen, do something with it in that aspect, and that'll increase the value, and then enjoy that over the next few years and not make a move. Now, was that in my best interest? Definitely not as a realtor, but it's about the client and helping them making the best decision possible for their future plans. If you're looking to make a move, I would love to talk to you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out anytime. If you'd like to comment below, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, it's John Long with Ardent Real Estate Group, and if you're thinking about making a move, either buying or selling a home, then click on the link below to learn more about what we do.